Bah! Okay, let's be real. Dyeing Easter eggs can cause a mess. There's dye everywhere, you have sticky fingers, everything is just all over the place. And honestly, eggs are expensive. But what if I told you there's a better way? A fun, mess-free Easter craft that keeps the kids entertained and everyone can get in on the fun. Well, I found it. This is an Easter craft kit, and honestly, it was a game changer. You get 6 colorful plastic eggs that are already dyed. You get a bunch of cute foam stickers, pom-poms, googly eyes, everything you need right in one box. No glue, no scissors, no searching around for supplies. Just open the box and start crafting. My 6-year-old loved it because the instructions were simple and he got to create cute little animals like chicks, frogs, bunnies. And the best part, while they could follow the designs, they could get creative and make each egg their own. This is a little sheep. It's so cute. Bah! And here's the thing, Easter is right around the corner. You're gonna wanna pick yourself up one of these kits because this is a great activity for parties, Easter brunch, or just an activity leading up to the holiday. So what do you think? Are you team mess-free Easter craft, or do you love the traditional egg dyeing, mess, chaos, egg inflation, egg shortage craft? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you love fun DIY crafts, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another honest review. I mean, look at these cute little eggs. Whoops.